While 6 million people are thinking about food, Clarens has only one obsession: to entertain a bunch of kids in refugees camp throughout the capital. The majority of those kids are traumatized, but if they can laugh, have fun, they will forget about the tragedy that just happened. Besides, after a survey, I found out that 37 children are now orphans. Take the case of Lovely, who spoke with Swiss TV about her fragile and isolated situation. She found refuge in a camp with her 2 little brothers, among other homeless families.
Papa qui mourit, ça fait mal en pile. Moi te remets grand moi en pile. Chaque matin, me lever, moi prier, moi demande Dieu. Moi demande Dieu pardon pour tout péché que moi qu'on fait. Que j'ai déjà fait là, moi pas mourir, n'a vivre toujours. Ça fait mal en pile parce que moi pas continuer l'école encore.
It's certain this catastrophe will leave tens of thousands of children without parents. For Clarens, he wants life to continue and that Haiti don't become a cursed land. How about the kids?